Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Robinhood account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove a bank account from your Robinhood account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Robinhood account from your bank? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're trading on Robinhood, sometimes you're going to switch over to a different bank account. So you want to remove your current account so you don't accidentally send or receive money from there. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Robinhood, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink or disconnect a bank account, here on the top right, you're going to click on account. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click here on transfers. All right, once you click there, you're going to scroll down until you see this section, linked accounts. You can see I have my checking account connected to my Robinhood, and to unlink it or remove it, click on this button here, unlink. Okay, quick second later, you're going to see this pop up. It's asking, are you sure you want to unlink or disconnect this bank account from your Robinhood? If so, click on the black unlink button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the accounts. My bank account has been removed. So if I want to send or receive money from that bank account, I would need to come back in here and re-add. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or disconnect a bank account from your Robinhood, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.